Do you want to grow flowers that look like peonies? We have an exclusive list for you so that you know the names of flowers similar to peonies. English garden roses. English garden roses look somewhat similar to peonies. They have soft, fluffy, ruffled petals. They're available in shades and fragrances that bring a real peony-like feel to any place. Julia Child, May, and Eden Rose are the closest options. Chabaud Carnations. Carnations also give a similar vibe that matches peonies. They have the same ruffled texture as a full-bloomed peony and come in various shades. Marigolds. These cheerful blooms appear in orange, sunny gold, and bronze hues with scattered petals. They flower all summer long, making a beautiful alternative to short-living peonies. Double tulips. Double tulips have twice as many petals than a typical tulip. They showcase a double splash of petals that makes them a stunning alternative to peonies. Dahlias. Replicate the look and feel of peonies by including dahlias in your plant collection. They bring a welcoming note of bright color and textures to a bouquet. Hydrangeas. The plump, round heads and pretty colors, hydrangea flowers are stunners that resemble peonies. They bloom from mid-spring through to late summer. Ranunculus. Also known as crowfoot, the romantic blooms give out a colorful vibe. The ample, plump petals give them a similar appearance to peonies. Anemones. The bold petals with a bright center have too many possibilities for creativity in floral arrangements. You can go with Japanese anemones for pretty shades and petals. Begonias. Tuberous begonias offer double or ruffled blooms that come in shades, including yellow, pink, and white. They're one of the best alternatives to springtime peonies. Camellias. This sculptured evergreen shrub is a beautiful cousin of peonies. It's compact, uptight, and tidy. Camellias are available year-round. Lisianthus. Lisianthus blooms just after peony season and is available for most of the year. The multi-layered, ruffled blooms have the same look and feel as peonies and roses. Chrysanthemums. This is one of the most popular cut flower varieties in the world and comes in various sizes and shapes. For a peony alternative, go for the pompon or disc bud variety. Peony poppies. Not just the name, but this poppy variety produces flowers that also resemble peonies. The deeply ruffled blooms in pink, red, white, and deep purple hues look adorable. Japanese quinces. Many varieties of Japanese quinces have the same round and beautiful shape as peonies. You can go with Geisha Girl, Melrose, and Kashida for peony-like blooms. Double daffodils. Double daffodils show off a fragrant double trumpet, double-layered blooms in white, pink, red, peach, and yellow shades that resemble peonies. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.